The number one thing that you can do to have success on Pinterest is to follow 5 top influencers in your niche. Now, by doing this, this will really help you when you're creating your profile, filling it out, so you have somebody to model there. And also, even in terms of the boards that you create and the content that you pin, you can really see what people in your niche are doing, what they're successfully doing, and that makes the process so much easier for you. So in order to find those top influencers in your niche and their accounts, what you can do is just type in your topic into the search bar here in Pinterest. And what you're going to see now here is all of the pins, so all of the images for that particular keyword. But what you might want to do is come across to people. And in here, I can see then some of the top accounts for my niche here. So I can see the number of followers, 30,000 followers, 17,000 followers, 19,000 followers, etc. So all I need to do is open up all these accounts. And we can even look Digital Marketing Philippines. You can have a look around at some of these and maybe even just get a sense of which would be the best ones to follow. So all I need to do is have a look at their Pinterest account, read their profile quickly. Is this something that's going to be similar to what I want to do? If yes, you can just go ahead and follow their accounts. And you can see if they've got 30,000 followers, well, they must be doing something right. If we look here as well, Digital Marketing Publishing, we can have a quick look at their content. So this seems quite a broad amount of different fidget spinners, amazing hair. So maybe that's not exactly an account that I would want to follow. Digital Marketing Consultants, okay, 19,000 followers, content marketing, social media marketing, Pinterest marketing. Okay, so I really like the way that he's laid out his profile here. Visual content, this is definitely a guy that I could model my Pinterest account on. So let's see, digital marketing, this looks like maybe an agency. Our revenues, brain game, logical puzzle. So again, maybe not the perfect type of account to follow. Here is another one, blogging, online traffic, online engagement, e-commerce. So I can even see by the way that they've laid out their profile that it looks pretty good. Now sometimes you mightn't find when you type in just one term, maybe the appropriate people. So what you can do is you can actually click into even digital marketing tips. You can use the Pinterest search bar and the suggested search terms here to narrow down your search if you want to find something more specific and then look into people there. Another cool thing that you can do is just go to Google and search in like top Pinterest accounts, digital marketing, or whatever it is your keyword or niche is there. And then let's see here, we've got a list of people, 27 awesome social media marketers to follow on Pinterest. So if I can get this list, a lot of pop-ups here. If I can get this list, okay, let's open up some of these. 7,000 followers, okay, she looks pretty good if you scroll down. Twitter for marketing, okay, perfect. Now if I go back to my profile, let's see how many people I followed there. I've got 7 followers, or 7 people I'm following now. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe just want to get one more so I can return to this list. And let's have a look at this person here. NYC, 10,000 followers. Scroll down, see the boards. Okay, this looks good as well. So now I can see I'm following 8 people or topics. So I've got my 5 people here. And actually I have my topics here that I set up in the setup process. I can actually unfollow those if you want now. And just so really you have that focus list of people to look at. But already now, just by following those top 5 influencers in my niche, I have a much clearer idea already about how I'm going to lay out my profile, how I'm going to lay out my boards, and even some of the content that I'm going to put out there. So I would highly recommend you do this. I think this is the number one thing that you could do to accelerate your success on Pinterest. Just model the people who are already successful on the platform and pull all the best ideas from their profile.